Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to prevent mentions on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you're looking to take control of your online presence and reduce unwanted tags, follow these simple steps. First, let's open Instagram. Launch your preferred web browser and type in instagram.com. Once you're logged in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on your Instagram homepage. Next, look for the More icon, which is located on the left side menu. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu that offers various options. From this menu, select Settings. This section is where you can customize many aspects of your Instagram experience, including privacy settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Tags and Mentions. Here, you'll find options that allow you to manage who can tag or mention you in posts and stories. Now, under the section labeled Who Can Mention You, you will see several options. To prevent anyone from mentioning you altogether, choose Don't Allow Mentions. This setting ensures that your profile remains free from unwanted tags and helps maintain your privacy on the platform. After making this selection, be sure to save any changes if prompted. And just like that, you've successfully adjusted your settings to limit mentions on Instagram. This new update empowers users to have greater control over their social media interactions. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more curated experience on Instagram without the interruptions of unwanted mentions. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on managing your social media presence effectively. Happy Instagramming!